For car enthusiasts who dream of owning a Porsche 911 but are deterred by its hefty price tag, a remarkable solution has emerged. The Daihatsu Copen, a compact and affordable car, has been transformed into a mini Porsche 911 race car, aptly named the Coperche 811 GTK. Unveiled at the Tokyo Auto Salon 2025, this extraordinary creation captivated attendees and quickly became a standout highlight of the event. The masterminds behind this ambitious transformation are from StanceMagic, a Japanese company renowned for its custom alloy wheels. They took the first-generation Daihatsu Copen, a front-engine, front-wheel drive compact car, and reimagined it into a vehicle that closely resembles the iconic Porsche 911. Despite the Copen's distinct mechanical layout, its compact size and proportions made it an ideal candidate for this remarkable conversion. The transformation process began with the installation of an extensive fiberglass body kit, completely altering the Copen's appearance. The kit includes custom bumpers, wider front and rear fenders, and a redesigned tail and roofline. To emulate the classic Porsche 911 look, the Coperche 811 GTK features 997-style headlights and indicators, along with GT3-style bumper intakes. The rear end boasts genuine Porsche 996 taillights, a large diffuser, and an imposing rear wing, all contributing to a race car-like aesthetic. Decorative vents and dual tailpipes further enhance the illusion, even though the engine remains in the front. Inside, the Coperche 811 GTK receives a racing-inspired makeover. The cabin features bucket seats, a roll cage, suede upholstery, and red inserts on the dashboard, enhancing its sporty appeal. This transformation is more than just skin deep. It extends to performance upgrades as well. The car rides on custom StanceMagic alloy wheels shod with racing tires, and the chassis has been lowered for a more aggressive stance. The braking system has been upgraded with new discs and calipers, ensuring the car handles as well as it looks. Powering the Coperche 811 GTK is a larger 1.3-liter four-cylinder engine, paired with a 5-speed manual gearbox. This setup marks a significant upgrade from the original 600cc engine found in the Japanese spec Copen, which was designed to comply with K-car regulations. While the Coperche 811 GTK doesn't match the performance of a real Porsche 911, the enhanced engine delivers a more engaging driving experience that complements the car's striking new design. Adding to its authenticity, the Coperche 811 GTK is wrapped in a livery inspired by the Porsche 911 RSR Le Mans race car. This attention to detail ensures that the car not only looks the part but also captures the essence of racing heritage. Despite its humble beginnings, the Coperche 811 GTK emerges as a remarkable example of automotive creativity and design passion. For enthusiasts inspired by this transformation, there's good news. While the Coperche 811 GTK is a one-of-a-kind creation, Porsche-inspired body kits for the Daihatsu Copen are available for purchase online. This makes it possible for others to craft their own mini 911 race car at a fraction of the cost of the real thing. In summary, the Coperche 811 GTK is not just a showstopper at the Tokyo Auto Salon 2025. It's a testament to the ingenuity and dedication of car enthusiasts who dare to dream beyond the ordinary. Whether you're a Porsche aficionado or a Copen owner looking to make a statement, this mini 911 race car offers a unique and exhilarating way to stand out on the road.